Hey guys, it's Bill from Linden, Tennessee. So, the beginning of December, I sent my cylinder head off to a place in western Missouri because I was told they are the guys to go to if you want some aluminum diesel cylinder head fix and done. They had to deck the deck the head quite a lot. It had some warpage in it, and I guess the cam followers were the same, so they had to line hone all the cam followers or the cam bearings. Put new cam bearings in it, put some new exhaust valves in it, and 3 months later they finally sent it back to me. And I went to go put the thing together, and it turns out that I was missing a gasket in my engine rebuild kit, so that got me pretty hot under the collar for a second. But I just went online and ordered one and got it a few days later. And today is the day I was going to put this thing together and get it running, and that's what I did. And let's see how it goes. As you can hear, it does go. And it goes pretty good. I've had it idling, I don't know, about 15-20 minutes or so. It's building up pressure. This upper radiator hose is nice and hot. This return hose is hot. There's heat in the cabin, sort of. I have coolant leaks coming from somewhere. I don't know where. I got an oil leak coming out of my cam oil seal there on the cylinder head. That's a bummer because that's a real pain in the butt to get to. I got to take all this apart. But most concerning, very concerning is how my cam belt is. I'm going to turn this thing off. The most concerning thing is if you look here, my cam belt is not running true. It's running off to the side. And, you know, after only 15 minutes, it's already starting to chew away at it. I don't know what to do about that. Why is it doing that? I have no idea. I don't know. I don't know how to fix it, and I don't know why it's doing it. So if anybody's out there who knows something, please, by all means, tell me what to do, how to fix that. As for that cam bearing, that cam seal, well, I mean, that just means I got to take the gear off of here and retime the stinking thing. I mean, that's really not that hard. I've got the timing pump timed in. That's sort of the pain in the butt part. The rest of it's just getting the engine at top dead center, getting the cam at top dead center also, and then just taking the thing off and putting a new seal in there. Fortunately, they didn't give me an exhaust seal, but they did give me 3 cam seals. Thanks. So yeah, so that's kind of cool. My alternator doesn't charge, or at least the light is on, and I don't know why that is. And this belt keeps getting loose on me. I don't know what that's all about. This belt won't stay tight. So something's going on with that. I don't know. And what else? I don't know. It's a good start anyway. I ran it out of the garage under its own power as soon as I got started, just to keep the smoke down. It doesn't smoke too bad. There's a little bit of like white puff coming out, and I suspect that's probably just because of the cylinder head or the cylinder walls being scored on a couple of those cylinders. So that's all that is. There's no temperature gauge inside this thing. I've got like 5 different temperature sensors. I got a temperature sensor here, might be oil pressure. And I got 2 temperature sensors here, and then there's even one on the side of the radiator. So I don't know, all kinds of temperature sensors, but no gauges. So that's kind of weird. What else? I don't know. That's pretty good. I'm pretty happy to at least gotten this far. Now it's just working out some kinks. It seems to run good. It idles really nice. I didn't check to see what the idle speed is, but it ticks over nice and smooth. So I can't really complain. I'm not going to complain. I don't want to complain about that because it's good. What else? That is all I can think of. I guess the next thing I need to do is change that cam seal. Oh, another thing too. These little rubber hoses on my injectors, these little return hoses, there's like a little end one here. That leaks. That drips diesel, so that sucks. I gotta come up with a way to fix that. I don't know. Maybe some little safety wire or something. Maybe that would probably do it. Okay, well, that's it for now. It's been a while since I've done an update video on the V-dub, but it's pretty exciting. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you later.